NASDAQ has been inside indecision area the whole week, where we can see these candles could not make a breakout to the upside and also could not make a breakout to the downside. So the market is currently moving sideways without clear information on where the market could go. What we can see, it is this bearish pin bar that is suggesting that the price could go down, but this breakout could not happen, and we can see on the Thursday and the Friday the price is jumping again between these two price levels. The lower side 15900 and the upper side is 16000. So let's see how this looks on the weekly. The weekly looks some kind of indecision candle, which is also expected because the price is bouncing between these two price levels. And we have here a monthly time frame where we can see that this previous month has made a breakout to the upside and it has closed above these candles, which is a very important level for the monthly time frame. So what I'm expecting currently for the next month is that I'm expecting that the price could make a could make a reverse back down, confirming this breakout as a valid one, going around this one price level and also around this one. So the first one is 15785, the next one is 1560 and also 15500. So very important is around 1560, which is a great support. So we will see what happens on the weekly and so daily time frame. But this is what I'm expecting, and also I'm expecting the price will continue to move up in the following month. Except the price, if the price goes down below these price levels, the next one where the price could stop is this one here, which is 1500, which needs to be also confirmed after the price has made this push breakout on the monthly time frame. But before we see the price going even more down around 1500, which is here, we need to see how this looks on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the price has made a breakout here first, and then the price has made a breakout here. So the price in the previous week, the price continued to move up even higher, and also this one has made also even higher. We can see the wicks, where are they going? So there is no bearish signals here forming some kind of a test just to try to make a breakout. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, we can see the price return slightly down here with the weight this week and continue to move up. What I'm expecting here, right here, is that in the future the price will reach this area 16000. But before the price makes that, we can see what happens. After the price makes a breakout here, the next level where the price will stop is here 16344, and then making a retrace back down around 1590. So I'm expecting the price will continue to move up, but before that we need to see on the daily, which is a very important level. And now what we can see here is this one. The price is currently inside indecision area. Just a minute. Okay, this is the one. We can see it here. The first step where the price could go is making a breakout outside of this one. Wherever the price makes a breakout, this will be indication where the price will go. But after the breakout happens, the next one we need to have a validation. If the price makes a breakout to the upside, the next candle should return back down here, not going inside, just to validate this breakout, and then the price will have free space to move up. It is the same scenario for the downside. We need to see a breakout to the downside and then validation before the price drops down even more. So these are the levels where the price will have a problem. So it is here, we can see it here 15800, and below that the next one where the price will stop 15600. You can see it is the same levels I have seen on the weekly time frame. On the upside, what we can see, it is very important for the price to make a breakout about 16000 in order to continue to move up to around 16400. So for the next week I'm expecting for the price to make a breakout, and we'll see in which direction. After that happens, you know what needs to be waited. So before you go, below the video inside the description, I have a free PDF for you to share with you. You can get it inside your email. Just check it, where I'm explaining a step-by-step guide how to start trading, and also what is this strategy that I'm currently using with supply-demand zones. Here, what we can see on the chart. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.